Dental prosthetics! Okay, we have... That's awesome. Whoa, we're making a mold. And pouring some plastic in, alright. So, what are we gonna do next? Pulling that out. Wrapping some clay around it. Oh, we're gonna make like the mold of the rest of the thumb, I guess? We're not. Ah, we're getting the circumference of the thumb so that we can get our metal around it, okay? Cut this up. Pretty satisfying, actually. Next, we're gonna bend it up, okay? A little soldery. All right, what's this part? It's quite cool. You can't actually, the hammer's hitting it so fast that you don't even see it. It's the flash. All right, we got more metal, more bending, more smashy smash. Where do they get all these ideas for tools from? Like, this is just excessive amounts of ways to bend your metal. All right, more soldering, more bending. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's cool. All right, and we're using tin to get these two to stick together. Make the connection. All right. Smash those in. Attach the top of the thumb, the tip of the thumb. I don't get how it moves though. Polishing. Wow, it looks like a kind of Iron Man-y or like some cyberpunk vibes. Wow. That's nice. When your parents say, I want to see my reflection in the dishes when you are forced to do the dishes as a kid, that's what they should look like. Let's screw this in. And now, transformation! Pop on the thumb. Wow. So whenever you, oh, that's cool. Amazing. Not too bad, I like it. You can pick stuff up with it. You can eat with it. I'm sure it would take some time to get used to, but that looks awesome. 5-minute crafts, you did it right.
Oh, what
hey,
a necklace!
That looks tasty. I mean, that looks like metal.
That looks
Wow.
awesome. I wanna wear this.
It's a necklace?
It's a necklace,
What?
yeah. It's
Okay,
a
so
square
it's just
necklace.
a square. Okay.
Oh, whoa! Did you
Bringing
saw
a
it?
whole new meaning to don't be a square. I'm going against that. I just go against everything that people say to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why? What's your problem?
I don't have a problem. You have a problem. I don't have a problem. Society has a problem. Right, guys? Okay, anyway.
Yes!
So we're melting some stuff in other stuff and then making it hard.
Make it hard.
Make it hard. That's what we gotta do.
Yeah.
That's what we do in Archie 5. We make things hard.
That's yes.
Let us know if we made you. Alright, so we have a silicone mold.
I mean, tough person.
Yeah. Tough. Yeah, that's what we meant by hard.
yeah,
Nothing else.
yeah.
I don't even know if there's anything else that means hard.
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have. It looks like a long toothbrush. Oh.
It looks like a.
Wow, that's
It's a chest.
awesome.
Wow.
A bunch of different tool heads. Wow. There's so much metal happening right now.
That's amazing.
I
I
love
love it. I love it. So,
Wow.
but be careful.
Yeah, you gotta be
know,
careful. That's why we're wearing all these gloves in these videos. Not us right now. We're not actually there.
Yeah.
We're up here.
But
you're
usually
looking down
when
there.
we do like so, yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the cup.
Oh, okay, nice.
So
It's a kind of it's a little small, you know.
small.
And if you actually heat it up, it'll probably melt again.
Exactly.
Because it's made of,
Yeah.
you know.
But it depends from the metal.
Yeah. But if it's like gallium or something,
Yeah, gallium.
then it's just gonna like liquefy.
What ugly holder for
That's-
key.
That's pretty ugly. It's pretty ugly.
Oh, okay. So.
Okay, we have a foot. This is 5-minute craft, so of course that's just a staple.
Is there any video without food? I guess
In
not.
5-minute crafts?
No, and in all videos, right?
Good one, Archie. All right, so we have. It looks like a comb almost, but I don't. Why would you have a foot comb?
I don't know. For
Oh, it's acupuncture. Okay. Have you ever tried acupuncture?
Yeah, but I mean I did it on special things. It's like a carpet with a small. things.
Okay. Did you notice a difference?
No, I didn't.
Okay, guys, let us know. Did acupuncture work for you? I'm curious. I don't know. I've never tried it before.
I don't know. It's
I don't like things touching my feet. I don't like feet in general, to be honest. That's why we watch
Yeah,
so many
who-
5-minute crafts videos.
Who likes feet, right? Nobody.
Nobody likes feet, right, guys?
Yeah. Who need it?
Yeah, except that one guy that wants to buy your feet.
Yeah.
And that other person who wants like feet action figures from you.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just your feet.
I don't know. Nothing special about my.
I don't know. Let's whip them out. Let's see them. Okay, so this is kind of a cool sink, actually. They made it.
Nice, yeah.
All right, we're melting some stuff. Melting the ball down the hole. For what? Why are we doing this? Ah, so we can add in our pipage. Okay. All right, a nice little wire connection, so you don't have any live wires exposed. And now it's waterproof. Pull that out, put that in, and it's a 5-minute craft favorite. It's a wire cutter. Easy. Well, that's subjective, isn't it? Copper tube, smash it up, drill it in, put it on, and twisty twist. Nice. We have some copper wire here. Making a Tesla coil. No, we're not. We're making a burner thing. Nice. I don't know what it's for, but it's really nice. Oh, it's for that. No, there's not enough space. What do we do? Just wrap them individually. Okay. That was like not, rocket science, but okay. What are we doing here? We're adding a hinge to 2 pieces of wood and then another wire cutter. Oh my gosh. I wonder how many wire cutters there are going to be here. Is this another one? No, it's not. This is just to hold the connection. Nice. Okay. Now it's the perfect connection. It's like you just matched on Tinder. And you both have the same bios. 6 foot tall, 6 digits. Easy. All right. Again, subjective. Twist around these wires, clamp them together, pull it through. Okay. It's pretty good. I need that for like my my hoodies and stuff, where you know how like one of the pulleys goes into the hoodie, so that you have to actually like reach in and try to get it out, but it never comes out, and then that hoodie is forever ruined. Heat shrink. Waterproof again! So many connections. What is this, LinkedIn? All right, so more of this. Pretty good connection, not too bad. Oh no, my wires are all messy. I hate it when my wires are all messy. All right, so we're gonna, wow, what? Okay, all right, you have my attention. Okay. We have a shell. Let's see what the inside of the shell looks.
Ooh,
I have a little bit of a, a little guess here, a little theory.
Yeah,
it's gonna look just like the shell on the outside.
Just a metal.
It's gonna be a metal.
Yeah.
And there it is, folks. You'd
Wow.
expect it to look different though. You're like, oh, it's gonna be the inside of it.
Actually, we tried this.
Yeah?
Yeah, and it wasn't that pretty. as
No,
they
yeah,
did.
I saw that one.
Yeah.
I was gonna say,
Let's
do it again.
Let's do it again.
Let's try it
If you like it, write us.
Let us know.
Let us know.
Let us know everything you're feeling right now.
Is it a brush?
This looks like a chicken leg, kind of.
Chicken brush.
A chicken
I would
brush.
call it.
Chicken
Yeah.
pot brush.
Chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh.
That's weird. Why?
Uh,
Do you guys know why? I don't know why.
I don't know.
This is like the rings from Sonic or the Olympic Games.
Or Audi.
Or Audi.
Yeah.
But that's 4 rings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're missing
Here's
one.
So and no.
They legally couldn't make 4 rings.
Yeah.
Ah, it's okay.
Well, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Why not?
Yeah. Not bad.
I only
Not
have 5
bad.
shirts, so that's the perfect amount of things for me. That's all I need.
Is it only 5?
I only have 5 shirts.
Okay.
You guys know. You've only seen
Yeah,
3.
I thought you have only 2.
No, you've seen 3, but you have yet to unlock the 4th and 5th.
Yeah. You need to pass.
If you like
Archie-5,
Archie5's page, if you follow us, you might just unlock the 5th.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
Do
really
something.
major incentive right there.
You know what you need to do, right? For all this.
I'll give you a hint. The 5th, there is no shirt. Okay, so we have. Oh, okay. Shake
wow!
hands.
It graced me some goosebumps.
Really? Wow, yeah. I bet they feel it as well, yeah. This is an ugly, 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 ugly chair. I love it. Wow.
It's an ugly, ugly, ugly thing.
I love
which
it.
I love it.
It's good.
It's-
Lead.
Okay,
Okay, that's toxic. Gotta be careful. Gotta wear your mask when you make that.
Yeah, always.
Ah, and it's one of those drill things. I bet if they use it though, it's gonna be just pulverized.
I think it's not gonna work.
You can use it one time.
one time drill. Yeah, a bit. So okay, There is normal.
Yeah, see, it's bending and melting and nah.
Actually, nice that they
showed that it
the
didn't work.
truth,
Yeah. 5-Minute Crafts coming in with the truth. I didn't know they did that. Just kidding.
See?
Just kidding, 5-Minute Crafts. Don't come after me. Okay, so we have a cactus brush, which is always really useful. Yeah. And I really like this lovely necklace that they're making with peas. It's my favorite vegetable, so.
Okay, but they wasted this.
No. You can still eat the peas.
Seriously?
No, you can't eat the peas.